If you need QR code regularly but instant, you can download this Chrome extension from my description box, and this extension helps you to convert any shareable link to QR code generate with customization option. There look that was the drop down menu. From here you will select which one you want to customization. Just fix that, then you are it automatically detect the URL which URL you want when you open this URL tab, and same Chrome extension tab similar way it will be automatically detect. Also you can implement that manually, and from color picker you can choose the color, which color you want to generate the QR code. Just pick that any color which I want, just select that. Then if I click the generate QR, it will be instant generate a perfect QR code which you can share with others person, and you can download PNG, PDF and SVG format.